Hey everyone. Today, we're going to learn a quick and easy trick to add a white background to your Instagram stories. Let's dive right in. The first step is to make sure your Instagram app is updated. Once you have done, it's time to open Instagram on your mobile device. Once you are in, now, click on the profile picture at the top left corner. Now, click on the camera icon to access the Instagram camera. Now, we want to enter creator mode. Click on the Create button, usually located at the top left or right corner of the screen. Instagram may automatically add a colorful background for you, but we want a pure white one. To get that crisp white background, click on the color circle in the bottom right corner of the screen. Keep tapping it until your background turns completely white. Now that you have your white canvas, feel free to add stickers, quizzes, photos, or videos to spice up your story. Click on the sticker icon, located here, to explore the various options. Customize your story as you like. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a white background to your Instagram stories. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.